Hey everyone who's ever thinking of buying this dishwasher, I will definitely recommend it. So here's the water hose. We're ignoring all the mess and going straight to the back here where we have the, I don't know the technical term, but this is where the water comes out. This is where the water goes in. This tells you, it rings ding 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 when it's ready, it's full enough. I went with this specific arrangement as opposed to actually connecting to the sink, because then I'll need some kind of extra contraption. As you can see, this is smooth and that wouldn't work for me. But in any case, I love this. It has so many modes. I had to buy this right here, so I'm able to have space on my counter. That was on me because I didn't measure this correctly. But in any case, it has a mode. It tells you the time. It's a standard wash, which in the manual you get to see how long is the standard wash, how long is the quick wash, if you want to wash your fruits. So far, it's only been a week. I love it. I did buy the warranty for it just in case, because I did hear some people it does stop working in the 6-month mark. And also do remember, for those that need a reminder, do use, moving this, do use one of these, or, you know, just soap for the dishwasher. That's what you need. It was unclear. To be honest, yes, I know that sounds straightforward, but because I never owned one of these, I wasn't sure what it meant by special detergent. So just get yourself a dishwasher detergent. All right. Take care, everyone. Have a great day and enjoy your...
This is my review of this Amazon dishwasher. It rang in just under $300. I managed to get it on a sale. It does a really good job of getting your dishes clean and sanitized. I've done 2 loads so far, and they came out really nicely. It's got a really good vortex action with the water. It has sprayers both on the top and bottom. It's got a very nice utensil tray up at the top, and then very spacious tray for larger dishes down at the bottom. It fits dishes. This was the largest dish that it could fit. It's a large plate from IKEA. I think it's 13, maybe 14 inches diameter. This is the drain plug. It just suction cups to your sink. It's very secure. It takes a good amount of force to get it off there. You don't need any kind of plumbing to put water in. It has an inlet on top for a tank. So all you have to do is plug it in, pour water in, put some dishwashing fluid in there, and put your dishes in and run it. Great value, great use. I love this machine. It's perfect. Get it if you can.
Get 1.9% APR. Plus, current eligible non-GM owners get up to $12.50 purchase